I'm going live. Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm your beautiful host, Young Buffett, and in today's video, I need your help. So me, Dexo, GBK, and Zoro are going live on the CryptoZoo's community Twitter page. It's going to be on Twitter's version of Clubhouse, the Twitter Spaces. It's their audio-only chat room, audience listening room, community talk thing where you listen to people talk on things. It's September 22nd, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern, 11 p.m. BST, and 8 a.m. AEST. There's so many different time zones. Everyone's all over the world. It's super international, and it's probably one of the coolest things that I've noticed about this community. So I love all of you guys from all over the world. It's very cool to know that there are people all over the world listening to videos about eggs for some reason. Anyways, back to the point of this video, I need your help. So nobody wants to listen to 5 dudes talk about eggs all day, let alone digital eggs, let alone digital eggs that we paid a lot of money for, and we hope to open the eggs to get a picture of an animal, and then we want to breed that animal together and make a hybrid baby that we can sell on some marketplace or keep them so they generate fake money on Zoo coin, and then it's like a dividend. Okay, it's a weird concept. The whole thing is weird. Guys, my dad watches these videos and it's gotten to the point where nothing I talk about makes sense anymore. So I don't want to waste anyone's time during the Twitter Spaces event that's going to be live tomorrow. What do you want us to talk about? I need you guys to take a second, scroll down, and just comment some suggestions, but don't start spewing out a bunch of frequently asked questions that everybody knows the answers to, or you're too lazy to just go find the answers to. Don't ask me questions like, when does the game come out? Q4 2021. They said that in their white paper. Instead, I want you to really, really think about what are some things that you want to hear 5 people who have spent a good amount of time researching and investing and learning about this project. So think about some questions, but also think about some topics, and that's going to be the most important thing here. There's obviously some good questions that could spur up some great conversation between us, but what I want to know is, what are some top level ideas, some topics, some investing strategies, some high level IQ plays, some of those topics that really make you think. And it could be very subjective or objective, but at the end of the day, it should just be really interesting. I want to make this interesting and thought-provoking. For example, I'd love to brainstorm and hear everyone's strategies on what they're going to do with their eggs. Are they going to be hatching? Are they going to be keeping? What's the pros and cons of each one of those options? What are their plans? What are their short-term, mid-term, long-term plans with the eggs, with the NFTs? Are they going to breed? Are they going to hold them? Are they going to generate Zoo as a dividend? Are they going to flip them on the marketplace? What is the plan? What are these top-level investing strategies? I'd love to hear everyone's opinion and take bits and pieces and golden nuggets from everybody and create my own strategy around that, which is what I always advocate on this channel, by the way. So if you're into that kind of stuff, scroll down, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. But I also want to hear what their plans are with their channels. That's another great example for like a topic or something. You know, I don't want to do your homework for you. I really want to open this up. You guys are really smart. Scroll down, comment down what kind of questions, what kind of topics, what do you want to hear? And let me know if you're going to be able to make it tomorrow. If you're not, I'm going to see if I can record it and throw it on this YouTube channel. Again, this is your safe space. No question is too easy. No question is too hard or dumb or repetitive. No topic is out of this world or redundant or annoying. Ask away. I'm excited for the event. And with that, I'll catch you on the next video.